We all know that doing your own oil change is a great way to protect your engine, and finishing the job right by recycling your used oil and filter protects the environment too. Set yourself up with a drain pan, gloves, rags, cardboard, fresh oil, filter wrench, funnel, and a new oil filter and crush washer. Refer to your bike's owner's manual for specs. Capture used oil in the pan. Set your filter so it drains oil into the pan too. Recycle your used oil and filter. Finish the job right by taking your used oil and filter to our participating auto parts store or your local household hazardous waste drop-off site. In some cities, you can leave it at the curb with your weekly recycling pickup. Remember, your oil change is only complete after you recycle your oil and filter. To find out which recycling options are available in your area, go to ridersrecycle.com. Thanks for recycling right.